Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your iPhone to iCloud or to a computer immediately. This preserves data if you revert later. Confirm you are signed in with the Apple ID enrolled in the Apple Beta software program. Free up at least 8 GB of storage to accommodate the download and installation files. Plug into power and ensure at least 50% battery or stay connected to a charger during setup. Note that beta builds can consume extra space and battery during early usage. Open Safari and download the iOS 26 public beta profile from the Apple Beta software program site. After installing the profile, restart your iPhone to activate the update checks. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update to begin downloading the iOS 26 beta. The download size typically ranges from 5 GB to 6 GB depending on the device model. Tap Install and follow on-screen prompts while your device stays connected to power. After installing, open the Feedback app to report bugs, crashes, and usability issues to Apple. Avoid installing iOS 26 public beta on your primary device if you require consistent reliability for work. Test critical apps and note any incompatibilities or crashes you encounter. Monitor battery drain and performance closely during the first 48 to 72 hours of use. If you need to revert, restore your backup using Finder or iCloud and remove the beta profile to return to the latest public release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.